In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your contacts in Gmail, a fundamental skill for anyone looking to keep their digital address book organized and up to date. Whether you're adding a new friend, an important business associate, or a family member, keeping their information stored safely in Google Contacts ensures you're never more than a few clicks away from reaching out to them. First things first, let's head over to Google Contacts. You can do this by navigating to contacts.google.com in your web browser. This site is where all your contacts are stored and managed, and it's seamlessly integrated with other Google services like Gmail and Google Calendar, providing a unified experience across Google's ecosystem. Once you're there, you'll notice a tidy, user-friendly interface waiting for you. The next step is straightforward. Look for the Create Contact button. This is your gateway to adding new contacts into your digital Rolodex. Clicking this button will prompt a drop-down menu, giving you the option to create a single contact or multiple contacts at once. For now, let's focus on adding just one, so go ahead and select Create a Contact. The screen you're brought to is where you'll enter all the details about your new contact. Start with the basics, their first and last name. These fields are crucial for helping you identify your contact in the list, but they're just the beginning of what you can store here. If your contact is associated with a company, you have the option to include this information as well. Adding a company name is not only useful for categorization, but also for reference, especially if you manage a large number of contacts across different industries or sectors. Next up, you might want to add their job title. This is particularly handy in a professional context, where knowing someone's role can provide insight into their responsibilities and how they fit into their organization. But what about getting in touch? Google Contacts allows you to input various methods of communication. You can add their phone number and email address, ensuring you have multiple ways to reach out. Whether you prefer a formal email or a quick phone call, having this information at your fingertips is invaluable. After you've filled in all the relevant details for your new contact, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, probably positioned in the bottom right corner or the upper right depending on your screen layout and device type. Click it, and just like that, your new contact is stored securely in your Google Contacts. Now, you might have noticed that the Save button warranted a mention twice in your instructions. This isn't a typo, but rather a nudge to remind you of its importance. Clicking Save is the final step in ensuring your contact's information is stored correctly. Skipping this step means none of the details you've entered will be saved, so it's crucial to remember. There you have it. You've successfully added a contact to your Gmail, expanding your network and ensuring that keeping in touch is just a few clicks away. Remember, the contacts you add are accessible not just through Gmail, but through all Google services that require contact information. This integration makes managing your digital communication more streamlined and efficient. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share a couple of quick tips. Regularly update your contacts to keep information current. This is especially important for email addresses and phone numbers, which can change more frequently than other details. Additionally, take advantage of the various fields and categories available in Google Contacts. The more information you provide for each contact, the easier it becomes to search and organize your contacts list. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on how to manage your contacts in Gmail. Remember, staying organized is key to maintaining your digital connections. Happy organizing,